congratulations! You just made your very own network cable. We really don't want to get these all set up and installed where they're supposed to go, plug everything in, turn everything on, and realize that there's a problem. So we are going to test these now just to make sure that we crimped them correctly, that all the colors are in the right order, and everything's good to go. To do that, we're going to use this network cable tester. This thing is super simple and really can save you from a lot of headaches later down the road. Alright, and here's how it works. Here we have the main body, which is actually battery powered. So when you turn it on, it gets its power from the battery. And then it has both BNC and RJ45 connections here. The other side, this is the remote, also has a BNC and RJ45 Ethernet connections. But there is no battery on this side, so the only way it can get power is if it's receiving power from this piece. And that's ultimately how we know that our cables are working, if it's able to transmit power from the battery operated piece to the remote piece. Alright, now to test this Ethernet cable here, I'm just going to plug one end into the main body, and I'll plug the other end into the remote piece. Switch the tester on. Now you'll see that now we have these green lights showing up, 1 through 8. This represents each pin in the Ethernet connector, each of those 8 conductors. Now this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see all the lights lighting up green at the same time. So when the one is lit up on the main body, we want to see the same one lit up on the remote. Now let me show you a couple of examples of what we don't want to see. Now in this example, you can see that all of the lights are still turning green, just not at the same time. Now this is going to give us a little bit of issues because it means that both sides of the cable are not the same. The 4th and the 6th pins are swapped. Here's another example of what we don't want to see. Do you notice how the 2nd pin does not light up? This means there's some kind of issue or some kind of short with the 2nd conductor, and this Ethernet cable will not work. When you come across a situation like this, if the lights are swapped, or if one light doesn't come on, or maybe some of the lights are turning red, no problem. All you need to do is take your crimp tool, put the cord in this yellow plastic piece right here, squeeze all the way down, and there you go. Your cable is as good as new. You're ready to start over with the new connector and try one more time.